Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to paint this black lab in watercolor. In the beginning of this video, you may notice the main color I used for this painting, which is without black color. Labrador has short and dense hair. If you look closely, you will find that the black Labrador's hair reflect a variety of colors, because its hair is affected by the ambient light. I'm starting with slight shape on its face and body. Then large brush with clean water to create diluted light color. As the dog is outside, the top of its head and nose reflect the sky. So I painted that area to be a blue tone. I used purple, brown to create a warm gray to paint in the shape of the head and body. I often use wet on wet technique on this step, as this way can make the color blend naturally. I continue painting the mid-tone with warm gray color to make the shape of dog face. I noticed there are varieties of color change on its face. I use indigo blue, burnt umber, crimson red to create a very dark color, outline the shadow of dog's ear and jaw. Using the same dark color, combining some violet and green to painting dog body. As I haven't painted the dog's eye yet, the painting looks ugly and odd. Don't mind that. Please be patient and watch it continuously. It will become very beautiful after I draw the eye. Now, I go back and further into dog's face, making it look more three-dimensional and increasing the color saturation. Until now, I painted several layers. Please notice when you make the new layer, You need let the last layer completely dry. Now, I focus on painting the eyes. The dog's eyes is dark and have many reflections on its eyes. I grab a small round brush to paint. While this time, I also pay attention to paint the shape around its eye, so that makes the eye on its face consistent. For the details about how to painting dog's eyes bark, you can check another video on my channel. I further deepened and enhanced the shape and color of the dog's body hair, and making a lightly background. Finally, I use gouache white, mixed up a little bit of yellow ochre, to outline the thin pale hair and whiskers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helpful. It would be grateful if you subscribe my channel and leave me a like. Your support is really helping me keeping bringing you new and free watercolor instruction like this.